Welcome back to the channel. My name's Ardil and today we have got an install going into a HondaHRV, and this is the brand new shape. What the upgrade is today and what we're talking about is all about a dash camera solution. This is a front and rear coverage giving you absolutely fantastic coverage across the vehicle, and that is also while parked as well and not only when driving. The Thinkware U1000 is the selected product for this particular install and currently one of my favorite cameras to be added onto a vehicle. This system is a 4K image quality front camera, then an incredibly high resolution rear camera. Will put all of the full specs below. Plus you can also check out some of the options that we offer of different camera solutions all live on our website. Again, link is in the description. But this camera system gives you just phenomenal coverage, but the real important thing is that there's full parking mode, and you'll see some camera systems out there that claim to do parking mode, however not quite the same as what we've got here. The way we've added in parking mode onto the particular vehicle is using something called the Thinkware iVolt mini battery. The way that system works is a separate battery that we've actually installed into the vehicle, allowing the system to record when the vehicle is parked completely safely with zero draw on your vehicle's battery. This is really important because if you don't have a separate battery, and the only two brands out there that manufacture these batteries, as far as we're aware, and the ones that we use day in day out, is Thinkware and Blackview as the two brands. Other brands out there that offer parking mode on the box are not, and where you see things like voltage cutoff, that is not full parking mode, because eventually you will have battery problems and you're basically drawing down on your vehicle's batteries, destroying cells over time, creating issues for you in the future and a more costly option in the long run. So it's really important that if you want parking mode, if you want to be protecting your car while your vehicle is parked, you add in things like we have done today on this Honda. We've got the mini iVolt battery. So a really great solution if you're looking to protect your vehicle not only while on the road with great coverage, as well as obviously when parked. You've also got the option and ability to be able to log in via an application which is really easy to use. We've done a whole separate video on how to use the Thinkware Cloud app, so make sure you go check that out if you want a bit more of an in-depth dive about the actual dash camera app itself and how easy that is to use, and there's a whole episode right on how to use that app. So overall, you've got app control, you've got a 4K front camera, you've got parking mode properly done and all installed from our 11,000 square foot facility here in Cambridge. Our client has taken use of one of our hire vehicles while we've been carrying out the work in a single day for our client, and the install, obviously, as you guys know by our amazing Google reviews and the number of cars that we've worked on and the level of car that we work on. Overall, it's been lovely to upgrade this particular vehicle with the dash camera solution, and it's now protected while parked as well as driving. So if you're interested in having this particular solution added to your vehicle, make sure you get in touch with us. All of our details is in the description below. But thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.